start this morning to get our bus to Sayulita. This is our third different bus company that we've got since we've come to Mexico, and I have to say, it seems to be delivering again entertainment, comfortable seats, really nice toilets. So obviously all of the movies are going to be in Spanish, that's fair enough, but actually on this bus, when you click movies, there is a folder for English movies. But look at these movies. Puke. We have made it to Sayulita. Uber doesn't seem to be a thing here. We're like a 13-minute walk from the hostel, so we're going to attempt to walk it, but it is really, really hot, and with these bags it won't be long until we're sweaty, but sure, what can we do? Final push up this hill, and I think we're there then. This is where I'm gonna be for the next 4 nights. Like a half-an-hour kip there, just came out. We're getting some tacos in a place for cheap, and we might try out another place after this. Our general feel is that it's a little bit lawless and that it's a little bit more expensive actually than the other places we've been. Maybe that's just because we've looked at 3 expensive places. I don't know, we'll have to see. Now it's your own TV show.
So I'm rolling it into a ball. Okay, good. Okay, and then ball down. I don't know if this is right or not.
That looks good.
Really good. Cute.
Your own tacos.
Folding film, so I use the blocking system. We essentially like if you wanted to speak or something, you can drive.
Oh yeah, the table's like super.
We had a few drinks there in a really nice bar. We met a few from different parts of Europe and a guy from Canada. We're gonna go and meet them and have a couple of drinks. I'm gonna put the camera back, so I'll see you tomorrow. Just texting the laundry guy.
Yeah.
Should I just pay for myself? Have a nice day, guys.
Gracias. Good morning. I just came back to the room there to drop off some laundry, which we're gonna get done. Well needed actually. Sarah's up in the pool. I'm grabbing my bits now. I might do a little bit of work and then I'm gonna jump in the pool as well.
Oh yeah, cool. Down at reception. So we leave here around 5:15. Yeah, around that time. Yeah.
We had a very, very chill day by the pool. I did a little bit of work. We met Emily now from Canada and we're going to have a look at some baby turtles hatching and being released into the ocean. We're doing this of our own volition. It's not a tour, so yeah, we'll see what we can get. We might not find anything.
English, so if you guys want to give me a hand, I would appreciate it. They measure around 63 centimeters from top of their carapace to the bottom, and then 67 from side to side. Once she's done laying her egg, she will cover it up with her flippers and use her plastron, which is the bottom part of her shell, to kind of rock herself on top of the nest to compact the sand.
Are you going to give yours a name?
Lilo and Stitch.
Nice. Oh, you've got two.
Everyone gets two.
Oh, lovely.
We do it together. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so exciting.
Squirtle and Blastoise. Go forth. Be free. Oh no, what's got? Oh my god, I thought that guy was. For something that I didn't realise I wouldn't be doing today, this has turned out to be one of the best things that I've done on the entire trip, if not the best thing. Just look at this, like, again, hard to see, but just a class setting and a class experience. We just got some nice tacos in a place. Their plan is to go back to the hostel. I need to wash my feet and have a few drinks maybe. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. We just booked a boat tour for tomorrow. Basically it's like from 8 till 4 and all food and drink is supplied. It was expensive, but it's nice that you get all that. The plan today is to, I think, chill by the pool and do very little, and I'm gonna go and get breakfast now, I think, down these very steep steps. Think it's feelings mutual. That was the best breakfast that we've had in Mexico so far. I think it's beaten that place in San Miguel de Allende, which was called La Sacrista, I think. So we're gonna go and explore the town now, see what the shops are like, and then come back to the hostel and chill out, I think. A huge iguana just perching at the top of that tree there. This is as far as I can zoom though. Had a lovely 3-4 hours of relaxing here by the pool. Slightly overcast at the minute, so it's kind of getting a little bit chilly. There's a quiz on tonight ran by the hostel at 8 o'clock. So I think myself and Sarah will be at that. Hopefully we'll be able to win the top prize, which is our laundry back. We're still waiting on laundry. We gave it in yesterday, we've heard nothing back, so I need my underwear. Won't be missing the Hill of Calvary. We got our laundry back. Thank the Lord. We just arrived at the quiz there. We actually were 5 minutes late. We were worried, oh, we've missed it. But we came down and there's literally nobody here. It's just me and Sarah. So I'm going to run down here now and get Sarah's power bank because it's going to be through Kahoot, which is an app, like a quiz app. So yeah, down and up these stairs again. We were literally doing the quiz there on Kahoot and the laptop just died. This is Paco, by the way.
Hola.
Where are you from, Paco?
Mexico City.
Mexico City, nice. Back online. Winner, chicken dinner.
I lost.
And this is the prize for coming first in the quiz. And guess what? Sarah got one too.
Yeah. Cheers.
Have a sip. Tell us what it's like.
Estupendo.
And and that's where I'm going to leave it tonight. We're going to have these pina coladas, maybe another drink after this, and then go to bed early because we're up at like 8:30 tomorrow for this boat tour, and we want to be fresh as we can. So I'll see you tomorrow. Kind of nice yawn there, sir.
Very early for me.
We have a random object moving closer to us. It's going the opposite way to the tide. Don't know what it is. Good morning. We're obviously on a boat tour. It's all you can eat, all you can drink, free inclusive. We've just arrived like across the bay to a place where we're gonna, I think, jump into the water. So the next time you see me, I'll probably be on the GoPro.
Salud. How about you?
Salud.
Shot of tequila? Ah, come on.
But
Go for me.
this guy's family, like his origins are from Cork.
Yeah.
Yes, representing.
Fuck yeah. Look at me.
You can relax right there, you can
That's
see.
what you recommend?
We also went to this beach in Sayulita, it's like a 3-minute.
We are on dry land and we're going to do a little walk to a waterfall. We've decided to go barefoot. It could be a bad idea, hopefully it's not. We were told that it was going to be okay, but now that we're here, maybe not. We'll see.
We will stay here for 20 or 25 minutes. Don't forget, we are Chica Loca Group, high class, VIP.
Massive, massive congratulations to Joannie and Emily for their engagement. We are in the taxi back to our hostel now. I think I'd love a nap, but I don't know. Maybe the plan is to like keep going. Yeah, either way, I'm gonna finish the vlog there. We'll see you in the next one.